I had all intentions of doing a Trader Joe's haul for you guys when I got home, but something terrifying happened when I was driving. I was on my way to Trader Joe's and I was on the phone with my sister when all of a sudden I like felt something, and it was like rock hard. And I was like, ooh, that's new. She's new. My sister was like, oh, like maybe you have a clog or something. When was the last time you nursed? And I was like an hour ago. And like, that's never happened to me before. Nothing like that. Within a minute, I realized that I had a rock on my chest on the left side. And I was like, this is not fun. This is not fresh. My anxiety level, it usually just cruises like here, like normal people are down here. My anxiety is always cruising here. It went to here instantly. So that was not fun nor fresh. My sister was like, do you have your pump with you? And I was like, no, I don't know. I was going to the grocery store. No, I don't have it, but I have my child. So we pull up to Trader Joe's, and my Trader Joe's, the parking lot is like, whoever designed it should be fired, okay? Because it is terrible, absolutely terrible. But for some reason today of all days, the front spot right smack dab at the front doors was available. And I was not going to pass up this fine look that I was, being presented with. So I parked right in the front. I climbed in the back and, I tried nursing her. Didn't get it out. So I walked around Trader Joe's for 20 minutes with a rock on my chest. Which again, not fun nor fresh. Dexter is losing it downstairs. I think the mailman is here. Hold on. I need a snack. I finished up at Trader Joe's, got some fun things, including the lemon bars, which if you know, you know. Okay, say no more. I rush home. When I get home, I put all the groceries away, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try taking a shower. Now, for some reason, went from like 40 degrees, it's 88 degrees today in New England. So that's fun. So I'm sweating. Kennedy is like clammy. I get her into like some summer like clothes, like a little short sleeve. I take a quick shower thinking that would help loosen things up. And then I'm like, all right, like let's try and get her out. I never have all of my pumps dirty at once, but of course, all of my pumps were dirty. I throw my pump in the sterilizer and I'm like, girl, this is all on you. So we nursed, and after 15 minutes, everything is okay. Everything's all good now, guys. The whole situation was absolutely terrifying. So now, I feel like a new woman, I really do. And I have some Trader Joe's Suitadelle in the oven. Those are like an Italian pastry. Kennedy's watching Miss Rachel. I'm getting ready, about to get some work done. And like, the day has just been saved. Now I just gotta figure out if it's time to put the AC on for the season yet or not. Wish me luck.